Did you know sneezing because of sunlight is a real thing? Let's dive into the science. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Yup, it's a thing. About 1 in 3 people have it. When bright light hits your eyes, it confuses your brain. Instead of just making you squint, it sometimes triggers a sneeze. Crazy, right? Scientists aren't 100% sure why it happens, but they think it's due to a mix-up in the brain's wiring. Nerves that control sneezing and those that handle light detection might be a little too close for comfort. So, next time you sneeze at the sun, thank your quirky brain. Ever experienced this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun facts.